video I will show you how to manage packages on void Linux. To update the repositories, sudo xbps-install -sy. It is similar to write Linux command. To upgrade the system, sudo xbps-install -su. To search for a package, xbps-query -rs packagename. We have a xfce terminal. To install a package, xbps-install packagename. To remove a package, xbps-remove packagename. Let's remove, for example, htop. Remove htop, yes, remove. To remove orphans package, sudo xbps-remove -o. Here I don't have orphan packages, but if you have them, you will remove them. And this is how to use void Linux xbps package manager. See you later, guys.